The firm had previously suggested a final say on a spot Solana ETF might not emerge before 2026. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has taken an important step by acknowledging Grayscale's revised application for a spot Solana SOL exchange-traded fund ETF, as the SEC had previously rejected applications for a Solana ETF. James Seyffart, an ETF analyst for Bloomberg, said the previous rejections hinged heavily on technical questions about how these ETFs will be classified. Eric Balchunas, also a Bloomberg analyst, said the decision was significant and speculated it might reflect new leadership at the agency. It remains a preliminary step, but raises hopes for eventual authorization. However, regulatory hurdles continue to exist. The SEC regards Solana as a security, complicating its approval under a commodity-based ETF framework. Ongoing legal proceedings against exchanges Binance and Coinbase, both of which include Solana as an unregistered security, could introduce additional delays as well. The firm had previously suggested a final say on a spot Solana ETF might not emerge before 2026. Now, the SEC has officially started the process. With an October 11th deadline for Grayscale's application, Grayscale is not the sole company seeking a Solana ETF. Other applications filed via the Cboe BZX exchange have been submitted by asset managers like 21 Shares, Bitwise, Vonek, and Canary Capital. Bitwise has also filed for a Dogecoin Doge ETF, and applications for an XBRP ETF were submitted on February 6. Meanwhile, the SEC is also reviewing Grayscale's application for a spot Litecoin LTC ETF, which analysts believe has the highest chance of approval after Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. Experts note that Canary's S1 filing for Litecoin is already under review, while applications for other crypto ETFs have been progressing more slowly. The SEC's acknowledgement of Grayscale's Solana ETF filing doesn't guarantee approval, but it is an encouraging step. As the October 11th deadline approaches, investors and industry experts will be closely watching for updates. The outcome of legal disputes and regulatory decisions will ultimately determine the future of Solana and other crypto ETFs in the U.S. market. For now, the SEC's decision to recognize Grayscale's filing is a positive signal for crypto ETFs, offering hope that clearer regulations and eventual approvals could be on the way.